See. Yeah. One of my favorite trains is coal. I love coal trains. I'm trying to work on doing a video of just coal trains for you guys.